This is gonna be day one of me trying to teach my 18-month-old to pour from a pitcher and drink from an open cup. He has not really done this at all before, so we're just gonna get started trying to learn something new. Mommy's gonna show you first, okay?
Yeah.
I'm gonna pour. You try pour.
Yeah.
You can do it.
Yeah.
You need me to do it?
Yeah.
No, you can do it. Here. Yay! You're ready to try it with water?
Yeah.
Mommy first.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oakley's turn.
Yeah.
Can you pour it in the cup? Here, hold the handle and pour it in the cup.
Yeah.
You're close. And we're gonna hold the handle and hold the cup. Okay?
Yeah.
Oops. We're gonna dry it up and we'll try it again. Look at that.
Yeah.
Can you drink it? Okay.
Yeah.
Was it good?
Yeah.
You're a little wet?
Yeah.
That's okay. That's okay. It's just water.
Yeah.
Did you want to try and drink some more?
Yeah.
Can you pour into your cup?
Yeah.
Yeah, pour.
This.
It's not going in the cup.
Yeah.
There we go. Can you help wipe up the mess? Good job.
Yeah.
Yep. Good cleaning. Thank you. Woo! Ooh! You take a drink, small drink. That was a big drink, but good job. Did you want to use your left hand?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Flop.
Oh, you made a mess? Here you go.
Yeah.
Good job. All clean.
Yeah.
Did you get a little wet?
Yeah.
That's okay, it's just water. Pour it in the cup.
Yeah.
That was not slow. Okay, let's dry it up. Hey, good job pouring.
Yeah.
I'm proud of you. High five.
Yeah.
Yeah, high five. No high five? What? High five. There we go. Thank you, Booger.
Oh.
Bye. Follow for more mom stuff.